Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Avril and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I'm going to reorganize my fridge. I do this once in 6 months and I thought today would be the perfect day to share this with you guys. So stick around, and before we go ahead and get started, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell down below to be notified every time I upload a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So to start off this fridge organization, the first thing I did was clear up my fridge. As you can see, my fridge looks pretty organized, but I wanted to add some labels to it and give it a bit of a cleanup. So guys, since I clean my fridge every 6 months, I have found it quicker and easier each time to keep my fridge up to date. This way I'm ensured that I do not have any expired stuff in my fridge. I would say if you got the time, cleaning up your fridge every 6 months is a great way to keep your fridge updated. Now my fridge is all empty and ready to be wiped down clean. Here I'm using a solution which I put together to clean up my fridge. This consists of 2 parts boiling water, 1 part vinegar and a dash of lemon juice. Once my solution has cooled down a bit, I put it into a spray bottle and it's ready to be used. I love working with this solution when I clean up my fridge because it's eco-friendly and it's also homemade. Now my fridge is all cleaned up and ready to be organized. Here I'm using clear drawer organizers which I'll be labeling them with labels that I made using my Cricut maker. Now that I have labeled all of my containers, the next step is to go ahead and start adding to them. So guys, a quick tip: when it comes to storing your dairy products like this cheese that my toddler loves, it also comes with an expiry date. What I do in this case is, I usually cut off the expiry date from the cheese container and add it to this container so I know when it's going to expire. Next, I start placing my containers into my fridge, which is easily accessible for me and my family. Another quick tip guys, when it comes to defrosting stuff, I have a separate container that I place at the bottom of my fridge that I use when it's required. Next is time to find storage solutions for our fridge door. Here I'm using IKEA containers which I've already got in hand that fits perfectly on my fridge door. These containers give me more space and I'm able to store my herbs, lemons and limes. Next, I went ahead and labeled my drawers. Afterwards, I decided to use lid organizers to place my veggies in. Once I was done organizing my veggies, I then placed this container into my veggie drawer. This helps me keep my veggie drawer clean, and also it's easier to take this container out and clean it without cleaning the entire drawer. Next, I decided to use glass jars to place my milk in. I thought using glass jars gives it a nice touch. So guys, I repeated this organization process onto my freezer side as well. However, to store certain freezer stuff I use containers with lids. But I didn't label these because I thought the labels wouldn't stick. Now my fridge and freezer is all organized and now it's time to wipe down the doors clean. Here I'm using the same solution which I used to clean the inside of my fridge. Next, to be a bit more organized, I decided to use a magnetic whiteboard onto my fridge door. So guys, this is how my fridge finally looks after it's been organized. It was so simple and easy to do. I'm so pleased with how my labeling turned out. I'm hoping all of my tips and tricks will help you with your next fridge organization. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you got inspired and enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comments below how you go about organizing your fridge. I would like to know. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to support my channel and to be notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, happy crafting!